This is Aneho, a town in Togo where river and ocean meet, but they do not mix. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of my travel vlog. Let's enjoy Togo together.
This town was actually built by the Aneho people who were fleeing from the Ashanti people in Elmina. So you can call them more of Ghanaians. Then we'll give you another one. Give her this phone.
So guys, I did have a taste of the fufu and light soup. It wasn't bad. It was good actually, just because it's my first time. Definitely tasted different, and I should say weird, but I don't want to use that word. I really hope that next time when I visit Togo, I would really take the time out to visit restaurants and try out really local dishes. I did try out Togo jollof, and at this point I really want to hold back from comparing Togo jollof to Nigerian jollof. Guess which I liked, or which I like. Anyways, I really did love Togo's jollof. It was really nice. I don't want to start, I don't want to continue so that I won't get some people, especially my fellow Nigerians, angry, but they had a great jollof rice. So this is basically Marcelo Beach. It's actually a really big beach. It's cool. I checked it out. I'm gonna do like a detailed video on Marcelo Beach. I just wanted to let you guys see the entrance to the beach. So after the time out at the beach, just chilling, we decided to head back into town. Just driving around Togo, heading back to my hotel. So guys, enjoy the rest of the video. So this area is around the seaport area. It's a bit outside of the city center in Lome Togo. It's actually a lively place, and it has like different vibes to it. Well, this is just the road, but definitely have like different vibes. So I saw Wando and I was like, oh okay, something that seems a bit like Nigeria. So I just thought to take like a video of the Wando filling station. So this is like the center of the port area. It's like the Apapa basically of Lagos. So yeah, and quite a busy place. You see the port right next to the road, and I did visit this port area at night, and I think I still have some. I think I have a video, so I'm going to show that as well, but not in this episode or in this series. So guys, do enjoy the ride with me. I'm going back to my hotel. I'm going to bring more videos from Lome TOGO to you guys, and I'm definitely sure you would like what you see. So for today, it's just some video dumps and making you have a feel of Togo. I mean, it's good to go to beautiful places, to go to the popular places, but it's also good to give you the feel driving around the town of Lome, and this is what it's like. Do let me know what you think about this video in the comment section, and if you have any contribution as to what I should have done in Togo, do let me know, because I really hope to visit Lome again, or Togo again, because I hope to see other parts of the country. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos from my visit to Togo. Enjoy the rest.